Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Proformance Unlimited. We happen to have on here, as a customer requested, a little red, white, and blue. And that's what we gave him, a little red, white, and blue Ford racing valve covers in blue, the red distributor, red water pump, red block, and a white intake manifold with a Holley 750 carburetor, MSD distributor. We got a nice beautiful assembly in this, all hand file rings, Cleveite bearings. This gentleman asked for something extra. He wanted it to be a high rever. Well, I only took it to about 6,000, and I'm sure that's about where it's gonna go. But it made about 488 horsepower and about 470 something foot-pounds of torque. Unbelievable for a little 347 on a 450 build. But again, when you want something, we build it. So this was a little extra. He wanted a high revving engine, and it's what we gave him. Again, if there's anything we can help you with, give us a call. ProformanceUnlimited.com. Thank you. David, I got your 83 Ford Thunderbird engine here on a dyno. 347, red, white, and blue. Runs fantastic. Gonna fire it up, give you a run demo.